going on it.
Diddy, I can't see through this cloud of smoke. What the hell?
Let's get him down to the windup area.
Come on, Dominic.
H2, Jeep Wrangler, got on down. And the number 5, Donnie Warren. F350. Oh, here we go. Now you're going to burn that truck on. There'll be no good for snow plowing. Plus, we don't want to smell that diesel. Oh, my word. Come back in July when we put you down. Hey, we got a farm truck coming now. And the other on the hand, the playground. Let's not forget, Diane's going around selling 50-50. It's getting up into several $100s at this time. We combine the front stretch and the back stretch together. Buy your 50-50 ahead of time.
He's got it.
Nice!
I was like, no problem.
We need a good race here. Let's get